Husband is making something and he wants me to video, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't know. It's
not cereal. It's So you got some eggs. All right, this is how you do it. All right,
Yeah.
you gotta.
I didn't want him to show my nasty kitchen, but
Well, when you're cooking, stuff get places. So.
things are
Ooh, butter. Get some butter. Get a little. When the butter sticks.
Better tastes good. Marrell is hardly in the kitchen, so watch as he makes his concussion.
Yes. All right. The next time you see it, it'll be done. Cut.
No, you want me to show the whole thing?
No,
I'm going to
no.
show how you cook.
No.
Well, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry.
This is how it looks. Woo! When you finish, look just like that. Yes. This is for you, wife. You're special. So
Thank you.
let people know how it tastes.
Well,
I'll videotape you. You taste it. Not my flock, but my sandwich.
it tastes good actually. I'm not
How does it taste?
I like it with the wheat bread.
Oh, okay.
I don't like wheat bread, but I like